This is for Nissan Qashqai. Hello guys, we're gonna show you today how to change the windscreen wiper for Nissan Qashqai, but the procedure is same for most of the car or truck, whatever you want to change. Moreover, the front, we're gonna just change the front two wipers. The front two wipers, most of the car, the driver side got a little bit longer wiper than the passenger side, so you have to buy two different sizes. Just check your manual, the manufacturer manual, then you will find the measurement. Otherwise you can buy a universal one. Just check the length of the wiper, two wipers, like this is 24 and that's 16. So we're gonna change the front two wipers. First of all, just simply pull it out like this, and then just press these two buttons here. Should come out. Just press, see that little catch here, just press this and it should come out, easily come out. Okay, that's it, very simple. This is came out, yeah, this is the old one. It's a 24-inch. We're gonna change it with the 24-inch wiper. Yeah, we bought a multi-setting one, so and we find out which one is appropriate for this our settings. So this is the one. Just simply push it. Just simply fit it here, straightforward. Push it, the button to click. Wait for the click, yeah. Make sure it's appropriate. Connect it and then put it back. That's it, done. And the second side, this is the driver side one. Driver side one is about 24-inch, and normally the driver side one is the longest one, and the passenger side one is the smallest one. So now we're gonna change the passenger side. The passenger side one, just simply pull it and then push these hooks to come out. That's it, to really, and we'll fit this kind of similar type of wiper. Yeah. Qashqai normally takes 16-inch for the passenger side one, so we'll change the passenger side one to 16-inch. This is the passenger side one, and we'll find out which adapter will go. This is the correct adapter, so we're gonna change that to this adapter. That's it. Now we're gonna fit it here, and now we're gonna fit it from here, from the top, and then slowly push and go and click. That's it. Simply put it back. Hold on. Thank you. Hold on. Thank you.